Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? What's going on? Welcome back. We are reviewing another foundation. Foundation Friday, you know how it goes. If you are new to my channel and you don't know what Foundation Friday is, every single Friday I upload a video reviewing, wear testing, and if I have all the colors, I will swatch all of the colors for you. We're just like gonna play around foundation. Foundation Friday, get it? No? Okay. So for today's Foundation Friday, I'm going to be reviewing and testing the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Tint with hyaluronic acid. It says it moisturizes and plumps skin for 24 hours. Whoa! No makeup was harmed in the making of this video, I think. So I have about 6 or 8 colors from this collection, so I'm gonna swatch those for you guys first, and then we're gonna try this on, make sure we don't look scary anymore, and do the rest of the tutorial, wear test, and all that fun stuff. So if you wanna learn what I think about this, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna swatch all the shades that I do have for you. This is the lightest shade that I have. It's Natural Ivory 20, and the deepest shade that I have, which is Chestnut 135. So this is Natural Ivory 20. Nude 40, Soft Beige 50, Natural Beige 60, Honey 85, Caramel 105, Cocoa 115, and the last one, which is Chestnut 135. So the color I'm going to try to use is Honey 85. I'm a little tan right now. I also have Natural Beige 60, which is what I wore when I was a little paler. When we open this up, we have this applicator. I've seen just a ton of this applicator everywhere. Like, it was on the Physicians Formula foundation. It's on the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. It's on the new concealers from Too Faced. It's everywhere. Everywhere. So this actually feels like really cooling when you first put it on. Like, it feels kind of cool. I'm gonna just put a couple dots of the 60 here. It does look like it's oxidizing just a little bit. We have the Dual Fiber Mini Blender S302 Blush Brush from Stilazzi. You can tell I'm not really like pronouncing things good today. Oh, that's orange, my friend. Okay, so I might be the color in between 85 and 60 because this is tan. I really like how this feels so far, actually. Like, I don't feel like I'm putting a foundation on my face. Definitely turned, oh my god, this turned so orange on me, holy shit. This is the color in the bottle and this is the color on my face. Definitely a couple orange shades up. Oh goodness. It's okay. I always say I'd rather go tanner than, I don't know if I'd rather go this tan. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'd rather go tanner than lighter, I think. Let's like not pay attention to the color and just pay attention to the coverage and what this is doing for my face. First of all, definitely like how this feels. It definitely does not feel like a foundation whatsoever. It feels almost like a moisturizer. It did feel super cooling when I first put it on my face, which is kind of cool. Oxidizes 110%, so just be careful what shade you are choosing when choosing a shade, or you'll end up a little oompa loompa-y like me and have to go the extra step to make it look good. But I like it so far. I like it so far. It's definitely more light coverage than anything. It does feel very cooling, but once you blend it all out, it doesn't feel cooling anymore. It is looking a little blotchy. I don't know if that's because it's so light coverage or it's just because I didn't get the right shade. Let me put my concealer on and mix maybe a little bit more of the Natural Beige into this, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Let me zoom you guys in. So, I'm a little sad. I have a couple of things to say about this foundation. First of all, I don't think I would consider it a foundation because usually if I have a foundation that's too dark for me, I'm able to make it work with concealer, powder, anything else that I'm using on my face. But this one kind of came on my skin blotchy, and I don't think it was because of the foundation itself. I think it's because the color was too dark. I think that this is more of like, it's called a hydrating tint, and a tint has so much less pigmentation in it than an actual foundation, that I think these are more so for someone who does not like foundation, someone who doesn't even like BB cream, someone that wants something less than a BB cream. That is what this is. So it did kind of come out blotchy on my skin. I did my best. You can see it's blotchy like here. I did my best to kind of bring it together in one whole look, and I think I did okay. But I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day. I'm gonna see how it wear tests, but I just want you guys to keep that in mind. I personally wouldn't wear something like this, but for the sake of Foundation Fridays and for the sake of reviews and trying out things, I wanted to try this for you guys. But like I said, I really think this is actually probably a really great product for someone who's like in high school or someone who's just starting out to wear makeup. I think this is probably a great thing for them to start out with, or like a BB cream. But I think this, like I said, I think this is less coverage than a BB cream. It's like a moisturizer, which is a little color, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, but either way, I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the day, see how it holds up, and then I will be back to show you guys what I think. Hello. Oh jeez, I did not do good on taking this lipstick off. I got my hair did. I keep getting my hair done and it just looks so good. I love it. Already zoomed in, so we're gonna talk. We're gonna chat about this foundation here. This is the first time I'm really looking at it. So I was looking at myself, and you know, whenever I wear brand new foundations, I like to make sure, when I look at all the mirrors, I'm like, okay, I look good, you know? Overall, it really doesn't look that bad. Like, you can't really tell that it started to get blotchy in this area. If you look up really close, you can definitely see it's like blotchy right there, definitely blotchy here. It did start to get a little oily and move around, and you can kind of see that. I had my glasses on for most of the day, but it got a little oily here and around the nose area. The color actually started to suit me a little bit better as it like sat on my face. I know when we immediately like put it on, it was super orange. If you see the food in my teeth, I am fully aware that it's in my teeth, but I'm too lazy right now to go get something to get it out. I feel like the ends of my foundation reviews are just like so annoying because I've literally just gotten back from a long ass day, and the last thing I want to do is have a whole conversation with the camera. I would probably rate this foundation like 5 or a 6. Like, I feel like I just am not using this foundation in the way that it should be used. I feel like this foundation, as I mentioned before, is more of something like a beginner foundation, or a foundation for somebody who really doesn't want coverage. They just want everything to kind of come together, like just a small tiny bit of coverage over their moisturizer to kind of even out the skin. Like, they're not going crazy on makeup like your girl here. I'm very curious to hear you guys' thoughts on this foundation from Neutrogena, the Hydra Boost foundation. I want to see and hear your thoughts. If you guys try it by itself, please comment down below in the comments. Give me your thoughts. I'm just very curious. So that's it, you guys, for my review on the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. Like I said, I give this like a 5 or a 6. I'm kind of like in the middle or on the fence because it looks pretty good, and I just think that I am not the right customer for this foundation. I think I'm more of like, need something that has a lot of coverage, something that I can really wear with tons of makeup. But that's all I have to say for today's Foundation Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like my Foundation Fridays. If there's any other foundations that you guys are curious about or you want to see a review on, wear test, and all of that fun stuff, comment it also down below. Thank you again for watching. Make sure to subscribe to me right here. Check out all my other videos right here, and I'll see you guys next time.